I really need a pedicure. But I'll just have to make do with doing it myself. Huh? What's that? I have a great idea for a prank. Hey, check out my nails. Looking good. Wait, how many toes do you have? Oh, let me fix that. I can file it off. What are you doing? That is so gross! Keep it away from me! I got her! It's just modeling clay, but it's pretty convincing. Let me in or I'll turn you into a frog. Just kidding. I'm ready to party. I promise I won't cause any trouble.
Oh, I believe you.
This is gonna be great.
Whoa. What are you supposed to be? You know, it's a Halloween party, right? You can't come in.
That's so unfair!
Whoa! Sorry, lady. I never saw you. Look at this mess.
Let me help you. Wait a minute. I think I have an idea. Could I take these nails? First, I need to apply face paint around my chin. And around my mouth. That should do it. Now I'll put tissue paper over it. I'll press it on until it sticks to the face paint. I'll apply more face paint on top of the tissue paper. I want to cover it completely. Now I'll cut a hole in the tissue paper. I need to be careful at this point. I'll peel the tissue paper back, exposing my mouth. Next, I'll paint my lips and any skin with black face paint. I don't want to miss any spots. Then I'll use a sponge to dab fake blood over the tissue paper. The sponge gives a gory effect. And now it's time for the nails. I'll push them through the tissue paper, just like this. I'll add some more nails. And then put in red contact lenses. Pretty frightening, huh? I'll brush fake blood over the nails to make it even more gruesome. It's time to party. Hello?
You again? I said you're not scary enough.
I was worried you'd say that. How about now? Can I come in?
Ugh! Mommy! I quit!
Aw, is something wrong? I guess I can go in. Ah! I'm out of here! This is a great party! I was so nervous about throwing it. But everyone is having a good time.
Hey, I'm here!
Are you in your pajamas?
Yeah, dude. What are you wearing?
This is why you never get invited to parties. Ugh. Where were we?
What's their problem? I worked hard on this costume. Wait, I know what to do. I can impress them with my lightsaber skills. Is that a kid's toy? You want to get something like this mighty hammer. Check out these sick moves! I bet your hammer can't do that! I've been practicing at home.
This is difficult to watch. Let's pretend we don't know him.
Why won't they talk to me? Hang on. I know. First, I need black frosting. But I'm not gonna decorate a cake. I'll break off a small piece of the frosting. And roll it into a ball. This is the perfect size. Then I'll put it into an ice cube tray. I'll fill each section of the tray with frosting balls. This might take some time, but it's going to be worth it. Almost there. I can put the tray to one side. Next, I need a bowl of gelatin. And a glass of water. I'll pour the water into the bowl. Mix it until it's smooth. That looks good. Do this with a second bowl. Now we need to color it. Add white food coloring to one of the bowls. You won't need a lot. Put blue food coloring into the second bowl. Stir it until it's fully combined and the color changes. Just like this. This looks great. Now for the next stage. Put them into the microwave. Let's crank up the heat. Set the microwave for 1 minute. I think they're ready. Careful. They're gonna be hot. Let's put everything together. We'll need the ice cube tray for this. Take a spoon and add the blue gelatin to it. You'll just need 1 spoonful into the section. Try not to spill it. Do this with every section. Remember, only fill them halfway. Now it's time for the white gelatin. Don't worry, this'll be quicker. Just pour it over the tray. Make sure you cover the tray. Put the lid on top. And place it in the freezer. Now we wait. That's long enough. Remove the lid. They'll look like eyeballs. They're perfect for any Halloween party. They're pretty cool. I can't wait to show everyone. Hey Mandy, check this out. Oops! Ow! My eye!
Just ignore him. Maybe he'll go away.
Guys, this is pretty serious. I've lost my eye. Can you help me look for it? I kind of need it.
Oh my gosh, it's in your drink! Oh, I'm gonna throw up! That's so gross!
Dude.
My party's ruined!
I don't feel so good. I better put it back in. That's better. I'm just messing. It's a candy eye.
Are you crazy? Honestly, that was the worst thing I've seen! Let's go!
I'm disappointed, bro. Hey, at least I had fun.
Mwah! Looking good. You guys are wild. I can't keep up with them. I need a drink. My cup's empty. Looks like I need a refill. But there's no soda in here. Hang on. Look at the toilet! Someone forgot to flush! I mean, I am thirsty. What's the worst that can happen? It smells… fresh. What are you doing? I can't resist it. I need to try it. I'm gonna enjoy this. Bottoms up! Get it? What am I watching? Tangy. Try it. You'll like it. No, I'm good. I had some poop earlier. I'm full. You ate poop? I'm just kidding. Come here. Okay. It's not really toilet water. I had 2 cups when I came in. One was already full. You just didn't see it. I placed the full cup out of your view. I scooped out the gross toilet water and switched the cups. It was an old switcheroo. So it's just a prank. Wow! That's so smart! Wow, you're right. It is tasty. I told you! Where's my homework? Don't say I left it at school. Huh? What's this? Oh no! The Halloween party's today? I totally forgot! I need to get ready. And find something to wear. There's nothing spooky in here. What am I gonna do? Ouch! What the… There's Lego all over the floor! And stuck to my foot! That really hurts. Can you be more careful?
Nope. I'm too busy having fun.
You're so annoying! Wait a minute. I think I have an idea. Maybe I can make my own costume. First, I need to empty out this bucket.
Whoa! What are you doing?
Oops, I guess I spilled some. Let's get to work. I'll cut 2 holes in the bucket. Next, I'll put this foam circle on top. Then I'll put a circle of yellow fabric on it. I'll cover the sides of the foam with more yellow fabric. I'll use tape to stick it to the bucket. I need to make sure it's secure. Next, I need a marker pen. I'll add some eyebrows to the bucket. Once that's done, I'll draw eyelashes and a mouth. Now I'm ready to party. Whoa! You're a Lego man! I knew this would work. I guess I better thank my sister later. Let's party!